Hi everybody, and today's a Throwback Thursday, one I haven't done in quite a long time. Super easy, marinara sauce. I've got my pan over medium high heat, and to that I'm going to do a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and I have about a half a cup. I did a half of a small onion, and we're going to let that cook for a minute and soften up. Now, this is a really quick and easy marinara sauce. You can do this in 30 minutes. I usually let mine simmer for an hour. Just the longer you simmer it, the more flavor that it develops and it thickens up a bit. But if you need a quick 30-minute marinara sauce, this is going to do it for you. I'm going to go ahead and add my dry herbs in here while my onion is cooking. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and then I'm just going to do a pinch of red pepper flakes. You can also, if you're making it, double the batch and freeze half. It freezes beautifully. So now I'm going to do about 3 cloves of minced garlic. Give that about 30 seconds. I'm going to do a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and then 1 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. Make sure your tomatoes do not have citrus acid. Now, some of the things in the jarred marinara that you can find at the store have citrus acid, artificial flavors, corn syrup, xanthan gum, all kinds of things that you don't want, which is why we make our own. So I'm just going to give these a little smash with my hand as I put them in. And then you could rinse your can out if you wanted to. A little red wine, a little water. Now this is optional, but a little bit of sugar is good here just because of all that acidity. We need something to balance it. So 1 to 2 teaspoons pure cane sugar. Now I'm going to let this come to a simmer at least 30 minutes. Today I'm going to go an hour. I don't want to put a lid on this because I don't want to hold that moisture, and I want it to thicken up. And I'm going to put a screen on it because, as you know, tomato products, they like to splatter out. And also, if you have it, a little fresh basil. I'm just going to put the whole thing in there because we'll pull it out later. So here we are. I'm going to remove the stem from that basil, and then we're going to take the immersion blender to it. Use your blender or food processor if you need to. It tastes so good. It tastes so fresh. You can taste the tomato. You can taste this little bit of herbs. It is the perfect 30-minute marinara. No soybean oil, no canola oil, no artificial flavors, no modified cornstarch. Just pure ingredients. And you know them all. There you go. Easy 30-minute marinara sauce. I'll see y'all later. Bye.